Why are those people crying?
Watch out for the double cross.
Is it for something they've lost?
Teardrops and closed caskets.
Why are those people crying?
Mafia, what else?
Is it for something
Blockways. Let's get it. I used to get confused, choosing my battles wisely. I had to pick and choose. My friends came and went, but most of them was murder victims. Dead before 20, a caught a frame and had to serve a sentence. Free my nigga Raymond, realest nigga from the murder mitt. Stood tall, hit a nigga for 1036. All he wanted to do was boil and spread the rock around. Build my foundation on solid ground. Always in and out of town, waking up out of my sleep to them chopper rounds. Sticking to Glico, Coleco vision. Me and Nico off the Clico, we got 3 hoes kissing. Niggas eating, getting fat, laced the Moschino dripping. Wishful thinking with the bag, we get them kilos missing. Grew up in a hellhole, that's why I think so twisted. When your wifey a rich bitch, it make you treat hoes different. Had to pay my respect, ain't taking likely to no threats. Take a nigga connect, kill him in blatant disrespect. Erasing with a text, pop up at your mother crib. From the city where niggas get hit for shit that they brother did. Fuck a gig, my niggas out here gritting and up in strigs. Ain't have a fuck to give, but shit for now, it's just what it is. Grandma cussing me out, quit running in and out the house. What's all the fuss about? It's either cut me in or cut it out. Ain't grew up with no silver spoon, we had to thug it out. I hit a half a slab in my room, just waiting for the drought. That money come and go, but who gon' be there when it's gone? When you was off your square, but I bet they was there when it was on. The moment all your tokens gone, no minutes on your phone. God bless the child who holders on, that shit hit close to home. When everything you ever loved, you lost to the gun from all that you done done. But down the line, that could cost you a son.
Is it for something they've lost? Why are those people crying? Is it for something they've lost?